If you can see these crease, I'm so sorry, but could you please ignore and focus on this? I would appreciate it. It took me like hour and a half to achieve this lighting and backdrop because I want to improve the video quality. And I'm trying, you get what I'm saying? I'm trying. Before we start the video, you guys gotta subscribe. Do it. Okay. And today I'm going to show you how we can achieve this look using this palette. So pretty. It's Jaclyn Hill palette is very famous. So this time I want to show you how we can use all the colors to slay our look together. Okay, so I will go Shane and we can roll. I'm going to spray my face first to wake my skin up for a little bit. For the eyes, I will use this concealer by Colourpop. You can use concealer as an eye primer too. And I will use my finger because it's the fastest way. After we put the concealer or primer, I will put the base color using the matte one. I will use this color. If you guys want to step up the makeup skill, blending. Learn how to blend as much as possible. The more you blend, the more you gonna slay the look. You get what I mean? And then I will put a darker color. This is kind of reddish kind of thing. I will use this brush. I will contour the crease here. After we finish this step, I will use concealer again to make a cut crease. It's gonna be a little bit tricky this part, but we're gonna get there together. I will use with this brush. There you go. I look crazy as hell, I know. I will use this color, the blue one, with this brush. I will start doing this from the middle part first by dab it, because to dab it, the color pigment will be stronger. I look crazy as if no. It's okay. After we dab all the blue shimmering color, I will use this purple colors. I will use the same technique by dabbing it, but just from the center to outer corners. I will mix with this brown. No, this brown. I'll show you. So I will dab this color 3 times and then this 1 time. This color 1 time. But just slowly layer it up. Don't just like go strong at once. Your blending not gonna look cute like that. Now I use this intensively on just the corner, so you can see the depth, more depth here. So you can see the difference now. Big difference. Now I look like a complete raccoon, but I like the color so much. And then I will move to this color. It's called Pool Party. Very cute. I like it. It's shimmering, glittering, kind of white. This is gonna be inner corner part. I'll show you. And then we have to connect this outer corner to under eye part. So I will use the same color to connect here. Lower liners. So you see it's very dirty. That's why I don't put the foundation first. almost done. I will use the darkest color to cut crease here again. I will use this Soda Pops color again to do just, you know, the cut crease part. I use the dab technique with this brush. I will use this brush again to kind of blend the line that I made. Blend it down, like from here, and blend it down. Okay, I think I'm done with the eyes. I will use Kat Von D Tattoo Liners by Kat Von D. Okay, let's do it. So it's gonna be like really thin liner, not too dramatic, because my eyes now is extremely dramatic, like Rainbow Girl. So we're gonna kind of soft this eyeliner thing. So after I finish put the very thin eyeliner, I will put the mascara, and then we can put the faux eyelash. And then I will do the water liner with this brand, Liner Solutions by Loyal Plum. So now I'm back with eyelash on. We're gonna move to brows and skin and contour and lips, and we good to go. So what I'm going to use for brows is a Colourpop here. This color with this brush. Okay, let's do this. And then I will conceal the brow with a Fenty foundation. And this also sharpening your eyeshadows too. Okay, so conceal here. I'm gonna move to foundations here. And then I will use this concealer for my under eye here. And on my nose too. I will mix with the one with brighter colors, because I don't want it to look too bright, if you get what I mean. Like, I mix it like this. And if you guys have crease here, always put your concealer like that. It's going to help so much. And also on your neck, very important. For contour, I will use MAC. This color is so much darker than my original skin now, so I will use it as a contour. And then I will use this NYX setting spray to make me stay matte. I will bake my face for a little bit. This is number 7. Yes. I'll leave it like that. What we gonna do? I mean, we should bake our face before, but we're gonna wait. But normally you should leave it for like at least 10 minutes to help your skin mattify, and then everything blends smoothly together. And next I will use Cover FX. Oh. This with this brush, just blend everything together on my face. I feel like I should change my top again because this look is too glam for this basic long sleeve sweater shirt. Also your ear. Okay, so contour, that here. You know what? I want to buy new bronzer, but I don't know what is the good brand for me right now. Like, I really don't know, but I love this brand. It's really affordable. I think it's only $10, and you got 3 color with this quality. I mean, you better get one. Okay, now my skin is HD. I don't think I'm gonna do anything crazy with the lips, face, and cheek anymore because the eye is the winner today. I could just, you know what? I would put something very nude. I would use this color by Intuit. I wish my lip is more hydrated. Now it's freaking dry. I would try this NYX color. It's called London, guys. I really wanted my lip to be extremely nude colored. Today I'm going to use the Colourpop. Look at this palette. I live for this. Beautiful and affordable. I will use this color. It's called Bigger and Better. And all, but for real though, Colourpop, they're really good. They're really good. My gosh. Here a little bit underneath your brows, make it pop. Maybe on your lips here too. I like to do this. Oh my gosh. The highlight, guys. I love it. This is what making me happy every single day, is to know that highlighter actually exists for me. Okay, so for the shade, I will use Bobbi Brow. This color is so pretty. It's called Santa Barbara. Do it from here to here. If you do it this way, this direction, is gonna make your face a little bit wider. But for me, I personally like this. You know, like brush it up. I will use this from, what brand is this? Victoria. This color is gonna give me like the golden color wife. Spray it again. Done. And I'm done. Woo! I love this makeup, guys. I should go out tonight. No, I should go out right now. I wish my hair is more... I gotta fix my hair soon. But yeah, I think I would go out and do the photo shoot for a little bit because this makeup is so freaking pretty. I wish I could do something with my hair, but whatever. And what do you guys think with my makeup look? I kind of get sweaty right now because I turned off the AC and about to go out. I love this look. I live for this, and if you guys like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you on next video. Yes, see you on next video. Bye. Let's try with my glasses on. Bye. Okay, see you.